Hey, welcome to another episode of DIYCarModz. My name is Jeff, and in this video I'll be doing a product review on this 303 product. This is their tire balm and protectant. This is water-based, and this is a sling-free formula. This does have UV protection in it, which will help prevent dry rot. And you can apply this for a matte or a gloss finish. Okay, so this product is made in USA, and the direction basically says to shake the product and apply it on a clean tire with applicator pad. And depending on the shine level you want, you can either do it one coat for a matte finish, or apply it, wait 10 minutes and apply a second coat or even a third coat, depending on the shine that you want. Alright, so I'm going to take the product and give it a shake. And I have here a applicator pad that I don't use. And there you go. The consistency is very runny, a little milky color. But I'm going to just spread it on the applicator pad. Some more. And apply it. Alright, so for a matte finish, you just need to put in one coat. Now, if you want your tires to be more shinier than this, then you just have to wait about 10 minutes for this to dry and go ahead and apply your second coat. And if you want it even more glossy, then you wait another 10 minutes and you apply a third coat. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and apply the second coat. It's been 10 minutes. And the gloss has definitely picked up. Now I'm going to apply the last and final coat. There you go. That's coat number 3. Alright, so that was a product review of this 303 product. Now, I do recommend this product. I've been using a lot of the Meguiar's Professional line for the tire shine. Although they're good, I do like this one a little bit better just because of the sling-free formula. The Meguiar one, there's a little bit of sling problem that I had, but this one I haven't noticed any, and so which is really good. And this one right here is what I just applied today, and here it is. That was applied over a month ago, so it still has the matte shine to it. The protectant hasn't completely gone away. It's gone through 2 raining days, and it still looks pretty decent. Not as shiny as what I just did in the front, as you can see, but it's more of a matte shine in the back because this has been applied over a month ago. So I'm just gonna do a one quick wipe down on back here, and it should look good as new. Alright, so don't forget to follow me on social media, Facebook and Instagram, where I do free giveaways for my YouTube subscriber every month. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.